In this video, we are going to see how we can enable or disable the message request on Discord. So if you just don't want to receive any message request from random people or even from your friends, here is how you can make the settings. What you can do is just click on the bottom right hand corner where it says you, and from here on the top right you can click on the settings on this little gear icon of yours, and here you will see on the top there is accounts settings. If we scroll down a little bit, we see this content and social option. Just go ahead and click on that. And then if we scroll down to server settings, it says direct messages, allow DMs from other server members, or message request filter messages from server members. So if you just want to disable that, just toggle those options off, and it will ask you, do you want to also apply change to the existing servers? Click yes. And you can also disable the friend request if you want to. So this is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.